Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix black screen issue in League of Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated, and to make sure that, first of all, with the operating system, you just need to go to on search, then write settings, then on settings, scroll down until you see Windows Update, check for update, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers as well. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is AMD GeForce Experience to that. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon app to update your drivers. So you just need to open up the GeForce Experience if you're using NVIDIA drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for you, you need to download and install it. Please do so, right? And sometimes other apps can conflict with League of Legends and Riot Games, and it could be that with the other apps that is opened on your computer, it can be the black screen of League of Legends. And in a lot of times, overlays can cause this problem. So what I mean by that is that GeForce Experience, Steam, Discord, or other apps is using overlays on your computer. So for example, on GeForce Experience, if we go on settings, we can see that my in-game overlay is disabled. So EA app as well. So try to completely close these apps or disable in-game overlay, restart your computer, and sometimes it could help, right? And if it's not the case, another thing that you can do here, if you updated your operating system and you disabled and your GPU and you disabled all the overlays, what you can do here is to simply open a browser, and then you just need to write DirectX and Visual C++. So first of all, install DirectX to your computer, press download, save it to your computer, downloads folder, desktop, treat, doesn't matter. Then Visual C++, just write it, then select learn by Microsoft.com, latest supported Visual C++, and then scroll down until you see x64 or x86 version to it. So my computer is 64-bit. I need to download this, and if your computer is 32 bits, you need to download this, right? And again, save it to your computer, and don't worry about the setups. It's just from official Microsoft website, so you don't need to worry about nothing here. Then you need to just install them, right? It's quite easy and simple. Just double click on it, and on this window you just need to press I accept agreement. Just deselect this button because it will be annoying big bar on your browser, and then let to install it, right? And after a couple of seconds, it will be installed, and you need to do the same with avc underscore redist x64. I already got it, so for me it's repair button or uninstall. If you don't have it, either press install or repair button, and just after that, restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to, another thing that I didn't show you, you need to open up search, then select League of Legends, right click on it, open file location, and then again right click on it, open file location, and then you should be on Riot Client, but you need to press on Riot Games, then League of Legends, and then scroll down until you see leagueclient.exe file. Right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Apply the changes, then go back one folder, not folder, you should be on League of Legends, then go on game, then should be here League of Legends exe file, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and do the same here. And if this doesn't work for you and all the other methods here and solutions, what I suggest you to do here is to completely uninstall League of Legends and don't play. No, I'm joking. You just need to go to apps or settings, then apps, install apps, and uninstall League of Legends here. And then you need to go to Riot Client and install it again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.